Time to make up that electrical box, but I think before we do that one, let's do this easy one first, because we only got one wire coming out of there. First thing I want to do is strip this wire. Just going to take my sheetrock knife in there, carefully reach back as far as you can. Leave some of the sheathing sticking out. Keep your hand out of the way. We're just scoring the sheathing on the outside. I can peel that back like that. Use this, just push it on there and use it as a little saw. Hold this because it's stretchy. Pulls off. This paper comes off. Now there's a piece of paper that's around the ground wire. Just kind of get that. You can cut that off. If it doesn't come off all the way, you can use your pliers and chop at it, whatever. Okay, so that's what you're going to have coming out of your box. A white wire, a black wire, and a ground wire, which is the copper wire. I don't need the wire sticking out this far, maybe 6 inches or so, which is about there. Okay, just take my wire cutters, cut these off. One at a time if you want, or all 3 of them if you're a he-man. I like to just do one at a time. The reason why I don't like the wires much longer than that is then you got to push all that back into the wall. You know? This is plenty long.